Thank you. All right. Do you remember that I already gave you the answers? And not a lot of you. Where are you now? Not see you. What? Okay, one second. Let me. Something's wrong with my. This one. 1 second. Here. Okay. There you go. So there's only half of your class, I guess, that hadn't made a test. So please don't forget to hand in your test because we are going to move on to the next lesson. So if you haven't seen your name here, please hurry up and do it because there will be another work for you and there will be a lot of it. And I don't want you to, bombard it with all the work. So how's everyone this morning? Good?
Good, teacher.
Right.
Good, teacher.
4, 3. Okay, on the next lesson, which is today, we are going to study about the story of the Incredible English. Okay. This time, where did they go for this unit? Unit 4, right? Where did they go? They go to the museum, right? They go to the museum. And on the student page 32, student book page 32, it says the grippy blue. Okay, grip blue. So before we started with the story, please learn the new vocabularies. Okay. Exhibition means, things that you represented in a certain place. For example, in the museum or hall, or we have exhibition all the time around the town. Back in the day when we still don't have COVID, the COVID town, it's Korat town, not COVID town. Korat town, it's kind of place that's always have exhibitions everywhere. The one that right across our school, what do they say? The TK Park, you know that, right? TK Park, the one that right across our school. They always set up the exhibition for kids to do other stuff. So that's called exhibition, okay?
Okay.
Here, this is how the exhibition looks like. It could be art, it could be something else as well, but mostly exhibitions is just the show that an event that shows stuff. Doesn't have to be just art. Oops, sorry. Invention, you know what that means? Inventions, things that never hear before, people invent. And the people who invent the invention, we call them inventor, right? And then I found this some funny stuff that is Japanese people inventions, which is not successful because it's a flop, but at least they try, right? Look at this one. This one, they had noodles and they don't want to blow the noodles. They just use a little fan there. That's kind of funny. And look at the guy. He had umbrella and he also want to save the umbrella, the water as well. So this is what is like the umbrella. So the water is going down. This one is probably for, a fake mom's fake breast milk, it's probably like for, when the mom has to work and the dad had to stay at home. And, it's a flop because nobody using it. Here, they had funny stuff. Like, you know, when you go to sleep in a subway, you just use this hat to hold on to your head. All those stuff. I've seen this one with a little baby, and they have like a some sort of mop attached it to the onesie while they're rolling around. It was funny. This one is for people who's like very hard to get up or wake up, so they have the cute alarm clock to their ears. Funny. I see this one is still selling it though. The boyfriend pillow. Like Japanese people are craving for touch. They are like, I don't know. So they just invented the weird stuff, but I can see it here. You know, it's called boyfriend pillow. And look at this one. And this one butter looks like glue to me. Who would want to use that kind of butter? I mean, it's good idea, you know, but weird. Butter. I want to use that. Okay, you know the word inventor, right? Inventor. The person who invents stuff. Invent. Okay. Stuck. Stuck means you kind of stuck there. You cannot move or go anywhere. You just got in there. You can't move or go somewhere else because you're stuck. Earl. Okay. Earl is the our nobility society, has a very high ranking in British, you know, royal system, the monarchy system. That's the Earl. And the other words that you would learn is well spotted. It's the US, no, it's not the US. It's the UK phrases using when someone can notice something. Okay, well spotted, like found it very hard to find it, but they still can find it as a well spotted. Okay. For example, I've seen your glass, they're under the table. I was like, oh, well spotted. Or, you know, same thing as good eyes. Now I'm gonna play the story of the kids. They go to the museum. Oh, I forgot to ask, why did they go to the museum? Do you know? Why did they go to the museum? Does anyone know? Look on page 31. Everyone turn to page 31. At the corner of page 31, there is a smartphone. Now, please answer me questions. Why did they go to the museum? Because, sorry. Why did they go to the museum, guys? Anyone? Because they have to find out, right? Who invented the sandwich? So they have to go to the museum and find out who has invented the sandwich. Now let's hear the story.
Grippy glue. At the museum.
Come on, let's look at the exhibition. It's about inventions. This man was an inventor. What did he invent? A stapler. Oh. What's this invention? It looks like yogurt. Don't be silly. It's called grippy glue. It's the strongest glue in the world. Oh no, it's the red wolves. Where did they go? That way. They know where the answer is. Quick, follow them. Oh. Help! My feet are stuck. Come on, we must help Ollie. But what about the red wolves? It doesn't matter. Let them go. Look! That man invented the sandwich. He's the Earl of Sandwich. You're kidding. It was the Earl of Sandwich.
Yes, that's right. Well done.
Well spotted, Ollie. Oh, yuck! This glue is horrible. Oh no! They found the answer before us. Better luck next time.
Right. Better luck next time. So, who invented the sandwich? Who invented the sandwich?
Of sandwich.
Right, the Earl of Sandwich. Okay, back in the day, they don't have sandwich, and I think they have the town, the British called a sandwich town, but it's not come from where he lived. I think back in the day, they don't know how to make a sandwich, and they have to carry stuff around when they want to do a picnic. So the Earl of Sandwich, me just thinking like, what if I put stuff together in the layers so it's easier to pack and carry stuff? So a sandwich has invented by the Earl of Sandwich. Okay. And what is the grippy glue? What is the grippy glue?
Strongest glue in the world.
Yes, it's the strongest glue in the world. Okay. Whose feet got stuck on the glue? Whose feet got stuck in the glue?
Ollie.
Ollie, good. Because of his feet stuck in the glue, that's why he can spot it. Who invented the sandwich? Okay, that's good. So obviously, you know that we are going to look at these sentences. You know, who did you see? What did he invent? Where did they go? When did they arrive? What kind of tense is this? What tense is it? It is still past simple, but this one is with what? With WH questions, right? Who? It's for a person, right? What is for thing. Where's place? When is time, right? So who did you see? Take a notice on this one using did. See, right? But when the answer, I saw, that's the past tense, right? Did invent, and then invented. Did go. Where did they go? They went that way. When did they arrive? They arrived at 4 o'clock. This one is how the structure works. Understand? Because these are past simple. Okay, past simple. This one, I'm gonna skip it. Probably not gonna work. This one is explaining what are you using, WH question, what are they, and how it is when it's translated into Thai. Okay, let's take out your activity book. Turn to page 36. Okay, page 36. Same thing again. This is past simple questions with question words, right? Here it is. See, where did he go? Right? He went to the museum. What time did they arrive? They arrived at 10 o'clock. What did you drink? And you say, we drank milkshakes. Who did she play with? She played with her friends. When did he leave? He left at 12:30. How many ice cream did you eat? I ate 2 ice creams. Okay. So these sort of stuff always applying to the same thing as we have learned past simple from the last lesson. Okay. It's really easy. Okay, now I need you to listen and then write down the number. Listen and write down the number.
Listening 1.58. Listen and number.
I went to the castle at the weekend. Northcourt Castle. Was it good? Yes, fantastic.
Number 1.
When did you go? We went on Saturday. We arrived at 11 o'clock.
Number 2.
Who did you go with? I went with Ollie and his family.
Number 3.
What did you see? We saw a tournament. A tournament? With knights and horses? Yes, it was brilliant.
Number 4.
Where did you have lunch? In the castle restaurant. We ate with our fingers. Wow, I'd like to go to Northcourt Castle.
Okay, one more time, right?
Listening 1.58. Listen and number.
I went to the castle at the weekend. Northcourt Castle. Was it good? Yes, fantastic.
Number 1.
When did you go? We went on Saturday. We arrived at 11 o'clock.
Number 2.
Who did you go with? I went with Ollie and his family.
Number 3.
What did you see? We saw a tournament. A tournament? With knights and horses? Yes, it was brilliant.
Number 4.
Where did you have lunch? In the castle restaurant. We ate with our fingers. Wow, I'd like to go to Northcourt Castle.
Right. Okay. So, which picture is number 1?
Picture C. Number C.
Picture C. Where did he go? Do you know? Where did he go?
Northcourt Castle.
Yes, he went to the Northcourt Castle. And which picture is number 2?
Picture A. Picture A. Picture A.
Who did he go with?
He go with family. Family.
Yeah, he went with Ollie's, not his family. This one's Ollie. This one's Ralph. So he went to Ollie's, he went with Ollie's family. Okay. Which picture is number 3?
Picture B.
Number
D.
B.
Picture D.
He ate.
Teacher, picture D. Picture
Right.
D.
That's correct. Right. He went to a tournament. He saw a tournament. Go away. And the last one is picture B, right? He ate, what did he eat? He said he ate chicken, some chickens ate here. Right, the last one, the last exercise. Do you want me to play the audios one more time? Or you can do it? I'm just gonna play it, that's all right. Now you have to rearrange the scrambled words into a sentence and listen to it one more time.
Listening 1.58. Listen and number.
I went to the castle at the weekend. Northcourt Castle. Was it good? Yes, fantastic.
Number 1.
When did you go? We went on Saturday. We arrived at 11 o'clock.
Number 2.
Who did you go with? I went with Ollie and his family.
Number 3.
What did you see? We saw a tournament. A tournament? With knights and horses? Yes, it was brilliant.
Number 4.
Where did you have lunch? In the castle restaurant. We ate with our fingers. Wow, I'd like to go to Northcourt Castle.
Right. Please do it. Let me know when you finish, okay?
Finish, teacher. teacher. Finish, teacher.
Sorry, I forgot. I just muted. So what is number 1?
What did you see?
Right. What did
What did you see?
picture?
Picture D. Picture D.
Yes.
Picture D.
Number 2, what is it?
Where did you have lunch? Where did you have lunch?
Picture.
Picture B. Picture B.
Number 3,
When did you go?
when did you go? Picture.
A. Picture A.
Picture A, right?
Picture C.
I think it's C. Look at the pictures. C. Number 4.
Who did you go with?
Right. Who did you go with?
A.
Picture
A.
with
Picture
O. Okay. So today, I think that's about it. I'd like you to go back and revise on the past simple tense, because the next lesson I will be giving you an assignment, one more assignment for unit 4, okay, about the past simple. So do you have any questions?
No, teacher.
Okay, so I will see you again tomorrow, okay? Don't forget these, all the things about the past simple with WH questions. All right. So if there is no questions, I'm gonna leave you here. Have a great day, guys. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Stay safe. Okay. Bye.
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 Bye teacher. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.